Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, and through our innovative investment strategies and comprehensive training programs. So, as part of the training programs, we have uploaded our educational modules, module 1 to 16, in both English and Tamil in our company Fibocan's YouTube channel. That's very useful. Module 1 to 4 is ideally suited for anyone who is doing plus 1, plus 2 or HSE, whatever you want to call, or in the age group of 17, any stream, not just commerce, even science stream. 1 to 4, anyone and everyone should watch. Module 5 onwards is ideally suited. Module 5 to 8 is for degree holders. And anyone who is doing MBA or anybody who is doing CA, CFA, and those kind of finance specialization, they should definitely watch up to module 15. Module 16 is exclusively for income tax on derivatives. That is for traders who are trading on derivatives, and also for CA, CFA students and those who are doing articleship with auditors. So that is in our Fibocan's YouTube channel. Our daily videos which we put is purely focused on market related. So on Monday to Friday, we put about Indian markets, and over the weekends, either Saturday or Sunday, we put about the global markets. In this video, what we will discuss is, in every video, in the daily videos, we will discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen. Which is why we request everyone to watch our daily videos till the end. Don't stop in between. Encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Click the bell icon. Thank you. Today is August 27, 2023, Sunday. As always, in the weekends, we put the global market videos. In this video, we'll be discussing about the global markets for the week of August 21, Monday till August 25, Friday, 2023. Okay, for these 5 days, we'll be discussing about Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, FTSE, then dollar index and its components. That will be in part 2. And in part 3, we'll be discussing US 10-year Treasury yield, and of course Brent and NYMEX. So first the levels. Dow closed at 96.4% down, while Nasdaq moved up slightly, 13,590, 2.3% up. S&P 4405.71, 0.8% up. FTSE is up 7338. 0.53, 1% up. So overall in this month, the Dow is down 3.5%, Nasdaq 5.3%, S&P 4%, and FTSE 4.7%. Still FTSE is down 1.5% down for this calendar year. So what happened? In the weekly chart, Dow Jones opened the gap down and it went below the Bollinger Middle Band, but managed to close above it in the weekly chart. In the process, it has formed a small solid red candle. In the monthly chart, it has formed a solid red candle, bearish engulf till now, and it is managed to stay above the exponential moving average, which is a good sign. In the daily, if you recollect, I told in one of the daily Indian market video itself that the 50-day is decisively broken down, but the 100-day is acting as a fantastic support. Same is the case for our Indian stocks as well. In Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty in particular, the 50-day is decisively broken, but the 100-day is acting as a fantastic support. So once again it took support on 50-day moving average on Thursday when it formed a solid red candle, and Friday it formed a long leg. That means what happened? Long lower leg. The leg went down to the 100-day. From there it bounced. That means the 100-day is going to act as a support at least till the end of this month, till August 31st is getting over. So when we analyze Nasdaq, it formed a bullish harami candle, solid green candle, but once again it managed to stay above the Bollinger Middle Band, which is a good sign, definitely a good sign. But of course, it is below the exponential moving average. In the weekly chart, it has formed a red candle with a slightly leg is available. Earlier, leg was not available, and in the daily chart, it is more or less the similar candle as that of Dow, but it's a better candle. S&P and Nasdaq formed a better candle wherein they are in between 50 and 100, whereas Dow is near just above the 100. So that's the difference. So S&P it formed a spinning top small candle. In the monthly chart, it is the same candle as that of Nasdaq, and in the daily, it is a similar pattern as that of Nasdaq. So now let's go into FTSE. FTSE formed a solid green candle in the weekly chart, but a bearish harami. This is the third reversal it is forming near the Bollinger lower band. Please take it from me. From September onwards till the year end, FTSE is going to have a one-way jump up. Probably 1 month, probably there can be some small pullback or correction, but otherwise it's on a long-term reversal that has happened with this kind of candle that it formed this week. And in the monthly chart, it has formed a red candle with a long leg, but definitely it is above all the exponential moving average. Of course, in the daily chart, still it is showing some weakness, though it tried to move up, but still it is well below all the 50, 100 and 200-day moving averages. So we have to see how things happen. With this, we are going to give the levels where it will close for the month, that is August 31st. Today we are 27, 28, 24 trading sessions are there. So for Dow, we expect it to close on the lower side, that is 34,110. It will not go below that. The worst scenario, if it closes below that, if it goes below that also, it will not close below 34,706, which is nothing but the July low. On the upward direction, for all these indices, Dow, FTSE, Nasdaq, S&P and everything, Dow, Nasdaq and S&P, the 50-day moving average is going to act as a resistance. For Dow, the 50-day moving average is 34,663. For Nasdaq, the support is going to be at 13,230. That means it will not close below that. So whatever levels I'm saying, it will not close below that. It will close above that, and whatever levels above which it will not close, the resistance, it will close below that. That means it will close in between that levels. The 50-day moving average for Nasdaq is 13,813. For S&P, the weekly middle band is at 4331.42. That will act as a support. The 50-day moving average is 4459.56. And for FTSE, the weekly lower band will act as a support because it is near the lower band, which is at 7231.60. And the 100-week moving average, which is at 7443.86, will act as a resistance. Next, we will see VIX. VIX is at 15.38 levels. VIX is, this week it formed a solid red candle, but the downtrend is arrested, as we said. In the monthly chart, it has formed a solid green candle, though in the daily it is just having some pullback from the upper Bollinger band. So with all these things, we will in part 2 of the video, we'll be discussing about dollar index and its components. Thank you very much. See you in part 2.